Why do two similar lots have different prices? Many people think size alone determines the price. Several factors determine a property's true market value. Let's explore what really influences land prices. Location is one factor that can influence land prices. Lots near entrances often offer added convenience and accessibility. Convenience can influence how buyers value a property. Lots near amenities may offer added everyday convenience. Road access may also influence a property's perceived value. Location is one key reason lot prices can differ. Now, let's look at the lot itself. Corner lots may be priced differently because of their unique features. Road frontage can also influence a property's appeal and value. Lot shape can influence how you plan your future home. Land elevation may affect future building and site planning. Not every square meter can always be built upon. Every feature works together to influence a lot's value. Next, let's discover how demand also affects property prices. Prices can change when demand is higher than supply. Fewer available lots can increase buyer competition. Popular locations often attract more interested buyers. Future improvements may increase buyer interest over time. Better infrastructure can make an area more attractive to buyers. Consider today's value and tomorrow's potential before buying. Compare several lots before making your final decision. Now, let's learn how to buy land more confidently.